Hello future engineers, me Aayush and today we are going to learn how to display the factorial of a given number entered by the user in C++. So without any further delay, let's start the video guys. So these are the header files which is used in C++, and this is the main function where we are going to write the actual logic. But before writing the logic, I am going to teach you one thing. So guys, the factorial of 1, this is the sign of factorial, and 1 factorial is equal to 1. Similarly, 2 factorial equals to 2 into 1, which will becomes 2, and 3 factorial equals to 3 into 2 into 1, so it will become 6. And similarly, 4 factorial equals 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, it will becomes 24. And the 5 factorial equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which will equal to 120 if I am not wrong. You can check on calculator guys if you don't know the multiplication. So now I am going to write my actual logic. So here I am declaring three variables, which will one for number and I for loop, and I am using another variable which is fact, and I am declaring the value of fact is 1. So now I am going to enter the number. So here I am giving the message to the user that enter the number to find factorial, and I am using Indial, it will break the lines. So I am going to store this number in the variable n. So guys, you can see we have to use loop in this program. So it is repeating from, we have to start loop from 1 to n. Here you can look, in this case our n is 5, right? So it is multiplying from 1 to 5. So what we understand, we have to use loop and we have to start our loop from 1 to n. Alright, so I am going to use for loop for I equals 1, I is less than or equal n, and I am going to increment loop 1 by 1, I plus plus. And in the next line, I am going to write one formula, which is fact equal fact asterisk I, and in the next line I am going to print the value of fact. I am going to write the number, the factorial of the given number is. So in there I am going to display the factorial. Let's check this program is right or wrong. I am going to compile this program. Oh sorry, I have to comment out this thing. It is throwing error. So I have commented these things. Enter the number to find factorial. So I am entering 3, and we know that the factorial of 3 is 6. The factorial of given number is 6. Yeah, it is working correctly. Let's check one more time. Now I am going to check the factorial of 5. The factorial of the given number is 120. Yeah, it's showing correct value. So guys, let's understand how it is going to work. So here we are storing the number in the variable n. So let's say this is variable n, okay, and this is variable fact. So this is n and this is fact. I'm denoting fact as f. So if I enter the number 5, let's say n equals 5, then it will check I equals to 1 and 1 is less than or equal to 5. Yeah, condition true. If condition is true, then we are going to enter inside this loop, okay. Then this formula will calculate fact equal fact into I. Our fact is 1. Our fact is 1. Here we can see our fact is 1. So here it is going to do fact. Our fact equals the fact is 1 into and I is 1 this time. 1 into 1. So in this time, inside the variable fact, our value is 1. So 1 is stored in the variable fact in this iteration. In the next iteration, I becomes 2. In the next iteration, I becomes 2. So it will again check 2 is less than or equal to 5. Yeah, condition again true. If condition is true, then you have to enter inside the loop. So in the next iteration, it will do fact equals fact asterisk I, but in the variable fact, the 1 is stored in the variable fact this time. So we are write 1 into, but I is 2 this time. I is 2. This time I is 2. So we are going to write 2. So fact will becomes 2 from 1. So in the next iteration, our I becomes 3. So it will again check 3 is less than or equal to 5. 3 is less than or equal to 5. Yeah, condition true. If condition is true, then it will enter inside this loop, and this time fact equals, our fact is 2 this time, 2 asterisk and fact asterisk I, and our I is 3 this time. 3. Right. So it will become 6. So next time our I becomes 4 from 3. So it will again check 4 is less than or equal to 5. Yeah. Condition true. If condition is true, then we have to enter in the inside the loop. So in this case, our fact becomes fact equals, our fact is 6 this time, right? Our fact is 6. So we have to write 6 here into, and the value of I. The value of I is 4 right now. So 6 into 4 equals to 24. Again, our loop will repeating continuously until the condition is true. So this time our I is 5. 5. 5 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition again true. Condition is true. If condition is true, then we have to enter inside the for loop. This time our fact becomes fact equals, this time our fact is 24. 24 into and I. This time our I is 5. This time our I is 5. Then fact will becomes 24 into 5. It means 120. So let's check again. Enter the number to find factorial. Here I am entering 5. So it is showing me 120. I hope guys you understand how to display the factorial of a number which is entered by user in C++. So if you really enjoy this video, then you can hit the like button. So see you in another video guys. Till that time, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.